I've just found this Catapult in my bag. The rubber bands are all falling apart, but we might have one strand there that might work. So we can just give this at least one try with a stronger rubber band and see what happens. I expect what will happen is the rubber bands will break, but we'll give it a try. That was very gentle, which is probably why I originally had about 4 strands. Oh, nearly caught it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. We're still not going to be a 20-second flight or 30-second flight. Right, last go. Oh wow. Well, I hope the camera's catching it. It is flying. It's just tiny. We always have to have one more go after we say last go. Haven't got the glide quite right now. I don't know if you saw that, but it went inverted. I trimmed it right down to try and stop it doing loops. I went a bit too far. Didn't loop that time, it went very straight. That's because I put a little bit of weight on it, on the nose. Whoa! Oh, I hope the camera caught that. Straight above my head. We really got some good height that time. Oh, I think we came down a bit hard that time. Broke the little support piece off. So that would be a good time to stop now that we've broken it. Yeah. Added a bit of nose weight, trimmed it to go as straight as I can rather than loop. and we broke it in the end. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.